How to randomly change Boolean value in a list. I'm trying to randomly assign a true value to a list of Booleans. When I run the code, I keep getting an error. Here's the code, which keeps throwing the error. I'm sure it's something trivial, but I can't figure it out. How is the index assignment out of range when I constrain it to within the length of the list?
Random.randomte, b, returns the number between a and b inclusive. If the result of the function call equals len population, then you're trying to do population len population, which will raise an index error because indexing starts at 0. Simple change, just -1 from len population. Or use randomj, b, which is not inclusive. Note that if the first argument is 0 we don't need it since it will assume the start is 0.
According to the documentation, random.randomte, b, return a random integer n such that a less than equals n less than equals b. Since arrays are indexed starting at 0 in Python, len population is outside the range of the array, hence your error. As at Terria indicated, you actually want the range to be from 0 to len population, 1.
Try.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.